Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we got this product from Tobelife. It's the S16, I believe, white noise machine. And yeah, we have it right here. And what this basically does is it provides sort of a background noise, and that noise basically helps you, for example, sleep better, or it can help you focus, doing work or studying, and things of that nature. And so, yeah, I believe we also have a discount code for, I think it was about 10% off in the description below. The code will be there. Yeah, it'll be the first, it'll be one of the first things there, or first link there. But yeah, anyways, let's get into the product itself. This cost me about, I believe, no more than for $50 or something around that. It's not very expensive, and it came in this nice little box right here. And so this is the top of the box. Shows you a little bit of the product inside, a top view of the product. But yeah, there we go. I'll just show you guys around the box, and then we'll get inside the box right after. Oh yeah, so there's some of their or that's all of their effects right there. And yeah, the bottom, nothing too much there. But yeah, let's open this up. Okay, so little box at the back, we'll take that out. And the product itself right here, we'll put that down right there for now. We also got a little warranty, it says. A warranty sheet of paper. 1-year warranty. Okay, that's great. Safety warnings, key buttons and features, how to use and warranty. Okay. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this is like a little user manual and a warranty explanation or something like that. But yeah, that's great right there. We'll just put that away for now. I'll put away the box as well. All right, now to get into this box. Let's see here. Yeah. Open it from the side. And yeah, there we go. Let's see what this is. Feels like some sort of a cable. But yeah, oh yeah, we will also power on or the system and see how it works. All right. It seems like you gotta connect a micro USB. Yeah, a micro USB into the thing, and a USB into a power adapter, which goes into a wall. Okay, let's put this away for now and get a look of the product. So I think this is the front. Alrighty. Here it is. It's not very big, and it's quite appropriate for its size. But yeah, as you can see in the top, there's all its buttons. They also have these 15, 30, and 60. I believe this is the duration it plays for. Like I believe it's in minutes, but I'm not exactly sure on that. I'll have to read the manual and figure it out for myself. And it has a volume control right here. All right, it's quite nice. Yeah, it's got a pretty nice looking speaker. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but there's a little circular thing under there. It's just a speaker, but you know, you can see through it. That's what I'm trying to say. But yeah, so at the back we have a little input for the micro USB, and in the bottom, oh, you can also put batteries. I did not know that. Okay, I'm gonna put some batteries instead of sorry about my voice. I'll place some batteries instead of using the cable. And yeah, I'll see you guys back in a couple minutes, and yeah, I'll get back to it. Alright guys, I'm back. I've placed in some batteries right there, and we're just gonna close it off. Just like that, very simple. And now let's power it on for the first time and see what comes up. Alrighty, so that seems to be some noises about the wind. So that would be the one right here. So that's where it starts off. And so I read through the manual a little bit. It's really simple to read through it. Actually, not sure exactly where I placed it, but it's very easy to read and understand. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, I found it. Sorry about that. Really, here, let's see. Here's a little, this is what they tell you about the product on how to use it. It's very easy to understand. You can read for yourself right here. And yeah. All right. Okay. And the safety warnings, they're pretty obvious things. If you'd like to read them, here you go. Oh, also, I apologize if there's any background noise. I'm not sure if that's leaking into the video or not. But yeah, we're going to continue on. All right, so once we turned it on, we can hear the wind noises. Or at least I think you guys can. I'm not sure if the microphone's picking up on that, but yeah. Let's switch to the birds and we'll go like that. And so there you go. There's a little demo of all these sounds. To turn off the sounds, you can click the same one that you clicked before, or you can just turn it off just like that with the knob. But yeah. So suppose you wanted to play some bird noises in the background and you wanted to do so for 15 minutes. You can simply, you can click either or first. So I'll click that, and then I'll click that. And what you will see is a little red light right there. And so once you've click that, the bird noises will play for 15 minutes. It'll stop, and if you want to play them again, you just click on it again. Right after 15 minutes, it's gone. Yeah. So, and yeah, that could be done through the same process for any of these amount of minutes. And yeah. It's a very simple product. It's quite nice and quite useful in my opinion. It's a lot better than using your computer to play any background noises, because you can get distracted from your computer and whatnot, or I find myself to get distracted. And so this creates a more controlled environment, or helps me to kind of create a more controlled environment. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please check out the product in the description below, also the coupon code, and yeah, for 10% off, go check it out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.